Welcome to SWAMY'S Academy. Just to learn one topic. Example will take first example, that is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 and so. So another example will take here 120, 140, 160 and 180 and so on. So another example will take here 200, 300, 400, next 500 and so on. So these are all three examples for this. First one 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 and so on. Second one 120, 140, 160, 180 and so on. Third one 200, 300, 400, 500 and so on. So one more example we will take here. 5 minus 10, 15 minus 30 and 20 and so on. So another example we will take here. 2 minus 2 minus 8, 10 and so on. So seeing that we'll come to know. So which we can say is here. First three terms we can say next number what you get. But next two sums, that is fourth and fifth one, we can't guess it. So which number will come next to the number? Why? Because 5 minus 10, 15 minus 10, there is no order arranged. Even 2 minus 2 minus 8, 10, it is not orderly arranged. Here, but arranged. 15 after that 55, 55 after that 60, 60 after that 65, 65 after that is 70. Next what will come? 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, like that will come. In this also we can say 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, like that. In this also you can say 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Why? Because in these three sums, first three terms, it is orderly arranged. It is orderly arranged. So definite rule. Definite rule. So what is the rule is here? Increase it by 5. In this first question, increase it by 5. Second question, increase it by 20. Third question, increase it by 100. So orderly arranged definite rule is called progression. So what is it called here? Progression. Progression. So in the many types of progressions are there here. So one of the progression in this we are discussing about. Before that, we'll take generally any type of progression. We'll take letters. That is first term we'll call this is. That is 50. Second term we'll call that is 55. Third term we'll call that is 60. Fourth term we'll call that is 65. Fifth term we'll call as a 17. Terms how will represent means here A1. So first term is here A1. So second term is here A2, that is 55. First term is A1, that is 50. Second term, that is A2, that is 55. Next third term A3, that is 60. Fourth term, that is 65 A4. Fifth term, that is 70 A5. So terms will represent any type of progression A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on. In the same way here also, first term that is A1 value is 120. Second term that is A2 value is 140. Third term that is A3 value is 160. Fourth term that is A4 value is 180. In the same way there also. So terms will represent A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Like this, if it is orderly arranged by definite rule is called progression. So what is called here? Progression. Many types of rules and regulations it will be. According to the condition it is satisfied, that will call as a progression. But now we are talking about here in this one type of the progression. To become that progression, what is the condition must be need to be satisfied means here second term minus first term. Second term minus first term, that is A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 means here 55 minus 50. So 55 minus 50 value is here 5. Next in the same way, A3 minus A2. So what you are going to be take? One of the progression, that is A2 minus A1. So 55 minus 50, that answer is here 5. Next A3 minus A2, that is 16 minus 55. 16 minus 55, that answer is here 5. Next A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. So A4 value is 65. A3 value is 60. You will get answer here 5. Next A5 minus A4. That is 70 minus 65. We get answer here 5. Now we are getting same answer. Okay. Common difference, we are getting same answer. This is nothing but is common difference here. So common difference, we are getting same answer. Common difference, how will represent means here? CD. CD. How will represent as D. But before the first term, we won't take any other number. Why? Because it won't be orderly arranged before that. So common difference preceding order except for first term. If we get same answer, same solution, that type of progression is called here arithmetic progression. Now we are learning about arithmetic progression concept here. So whatever the arithmetic progression means here, D will represent here D. D nothing but a common difference. Common difference preceding order except to first term. Why? Because first term before that it won't be any other numbers. So common difference preceding order if we get same variable. Sorry. If we get same answer, that type of progression is called here arithmetic progression. In this case, A2 minus A1, 55 minus 50 value is 5. A3 minus A2, that is D, 60 minus 55 equals to 5. A4 minus A3, that is 65 minus 60, that value is 5. A5 minus A4, that is D, 70 minus 65 is 5. So this type of progression is called here arithmetic progression. Another question we will take here, second question, that is A2 minus A1. You know already here 130, 140, 160, 180. A1 value is 120, A2 value is 140, A3 value is 160, A4 value is 180. Now D formula is what here? A2 minus A1. That is 140 minus 120. So 140 minus 120, what will get answer here? 20. Next, here also, A3 minus A2, that is 160 minus 140. That value is here, answer is 20. Next, A4 minus A3, even this answer also, 180 minus 160, that answer is 20. Once again, so A2 minus A1, 140 minus 120, that answer is here 20. A3 minus A2, 160 minus 140, that answer also here 20. A4 minus A3, so 180 minus 120, that answer also 20. So if you continue also, you get common difference, same answer. So that type of progression is called here arithmetic progression. So second question also arithmetic progression, and the first question also it is an arithmetic progression. In the same way, third question also it is in the arithmetic progression. Why? Because 300 minus 200 value is 100, 400 minus 300 value is 100, 500 minus 400 value is 100. So common difference we are getting same. So that type of progression is called here arithmetic progression. Now we are discussing about arithmetic progression. So what is the condition must and should be satisfied to become arithmetic progression means here common difference preceding order except to first term. So D formula. What is the D formula means here? A2 minus A1 should be equals to A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 should be equals to A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3 should be equals to A5 minus A4 and so on. So in the few terminologies there, now we'll discuss about that. So one example we'll take to find the nth term here. So A1 200, A2 is 250, A3 is 300, A4 is 350, A5 is 400. So once again 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. So A1 value is 200, A2 value is 250, A3 value is 300, A4 value is 350, A5 value is 400. So A1 that is 200, A2 that is 250, A3 that is 300. So A4 that is 350. So A5 that is 400. Next, one by one we'll expand that. 200 as it is. Next to 250, what you can write is 200 plus 50. Next 300, what you can write is 200 plus 100. So 350, what you can write is 200 plus 150. And 400. So 400, what you can write? 200 plus 200. So once again, 200 as it is. 250, what I can write here? 200 plus 50. 300, what I can write here? 200 plus 100. 350, what I can write here? 200 plus 150. 400, what I can write here? 200 plus 200. Next again. So 200. 50, what I can do is 1 5 is 50. So what I can write here? 1 5 is 50. And next here, 200 as it is. 100. 100, what I can write is here? 2 5 is 250 is 100. 250 is 100. Next 150. So 150, what I can write? 200 as it is. 350 is so 350 is 150. 150 plus 200 becomes to 350. Next here 200. Next 450 is 450 is 200. 200 plus 200, what will become here? 400. So once again, right? So A1 value is 200, 200 as it is. A2 value is 250, that we can write is as a 200 plus 50. That 50 what is in that means 150 is a 50. Next 300 we can write this as a 200 plus 100. 100 what we can write here? 250 is a. Next 350 we can write this as a 200 plus 150. 150 what we can write is here 350 is a. In the same way 450 is a. Next again. So next again here. So here 050 is a bit bigger. Next other one we can write is 050. So now 200 is same and 50 also same. Just will change in this case. Okay na? So 200. So 0 place, what you can write means here 1 minus 1 into 50. So 0 place what you can write here 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0. 0 50 is a 50. 0. 0 plus 200 becomes 200. So we are same, we are changing. Same we are form we are making, but it will be same. But form we are making. Next thing is 200. So in place of 2, now what we are doing here in place of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are changing that. So one place, in one place what I can write means 2 minus 1, remaining 50 as it is. In this also 200. So 2 place what I can write here 3 minus 1 into 50. Next here 3 place what I can do is here 4 minus 1 into 50. Next is as 4 place what I can do is here so 5 minus 1 into 50. So once again, so 4 place what you can write here 5 minus 1. In 3 place what you can write means here 4 minus 1. And 2 place what you can write means here 3 minus 1. And 1 place what you can write means here 2 minus 1. And 0 place what you can write here 1 minus 1. Remaining and all same. 200 is same and 550 is the same. And this will be what here? This will be same answer. Means we'll get here first case 200, second case we'll get here 250, third case we'll get here 300, fourth case we'll get here 350 and fifth term we'll get here 400. Next, what means here? C1 will come to know. So 200 is a common. Okay na? 200 is a common is there here. So 200 is common is there. That 200 which number is here? First term. So first term will take as a A1 or A. So we'll take as a what here? First term will take as a A1 or A. So 200 is A. 200 is A plus for all the middle which one is it plus next to 50. 50 means we already discussed previously. So what did we discuss here? Common difference preceding order. So A2 minus A1, that is 250 minus 200. We get answer is a 50. A3 minus A2, that 300 minus 250, we get answer is a 50. A4 minus A3, that is 350 minus 300, we get answer 50. This common difference preceding order except to first term. So D we are getting same answer here. So then only we'll call as a arithmetic progression. So then only we'll call as a arithmetic progression. So A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2. Next to A4 minus A3, we get here same. So that type of progression is called here arithmetic progression. In that arithmetic progression, we are finding nth term. We are finding one here nth term. So we got it A value. A value is 200 and we got it a common difference D. D value is 50. So D value is here 50. So next, see here only will come to know here. Now here first term 1. So 1 minus 1. Second term 2. So 2 minus 1. Third term 3. 3 minus 1. Fourth term, that is 4 minus 1. Fifth term, what is that here? 5 minus 1. In the same way, nth term. So in the same way, nth term. Nth term, what is here? N minus 1. Nth term means here n minus 1. How did you get n minus 1 means here? Fifth term means 5 minus 1. Fourth term means here 4 minus 1. Third term means here 3 minus 1. Second term is here 2 minus 1. In the same way, nth term is here n minus 1. This is a form of nth term. So what is the nth term to find here? A plus n minus 1. So general form of arithmetic progression or nth term of arithmetic progression is A plus n minus 1 into A. So here we have 4 variables. One is an, another one is A, another letter is N, another letter is D. So what is mean by an, A, N, D means here? So an means nth term. So nth term of arithmetic progression formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. So generally we take as last term we consider this. So last term we consider here. So an exactly meaning is nth term. So what do you mean by A? A means here first term. A means here first term. A will take as a first term or A1 also first term will take. That is the mean. An means here nth term. A means here first term. N is number of terms. N meaning means here number of terms. So how many number are present in the progression, that will consider as a number of terms here. D means here common difference preceding order except to first term. Common difference preceding order except to first term. How will take means here A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 and so on. So this will let us mean here. A means here nth term, A means here first term, N means number of terms and D means here common difference. So what is the AN formula in arithmetic progression means here? A plus n minus 1 into D. So we'll do it formation of in general form and the formation in arithmetic progression. So this is A1 or A will take as a 200. Now we know this 200 is a common for all the terms. So that will take as A. Next 1 minus 1 0. 0 into 50 it will become 0 only. So first term is A. So A1 value is A. Next second term 200. 200 is nothing but A. Next 2 minus 1, that value will be 1. 1 into 50. So 50 means we know what is that? Common difference of 50. So A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus AC value is 50. That will take as a D. So we'll take as a 1D. Next to 200, that is A. 3 minus 1, 2. 15 is here, D. In the same way, here also A plus 4 minus 1, 3. D means here 5, 50. So 15 is here, D. Next here also same. So 200 will be A. 5 minus 1, 4. 15 is here, D. So answer will come to know here. So what is that? A1 value is A, A2 value is A plus 1D. So A3 value is A plus 2D. A4 value is A plus 3D. Next A5 value is A plus 4D. AN value is A plus n minus 1. So what is the general form of arithmetic progression is A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on, A plus n minus 1. So A meaning we know that is first term, N meaning we know that is number of terms, D meaning you know common difference preceding or except the first term. In the mathematical what we write is here A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A3 equals to A4 minus A3 and so on, AN minus 1 here. And AN means here nth term. AN means here nth term. So this is about explanation about arithmetic progression. How to find A value, D value, N value, AN value. This is arithmetic progression. Thank you.